In this video, we will discuss about mass and weight. Let's start with the topic mass. Students, in this picture, two things are shown, jackfruit and an apple. So can you tell me which of these will be easier to move? Obviously, an apple is easier to move in comparison to jackfruit. So why is it so? Why can you move a smaller one easily and not the bigger one? Students, as we know that everything around us is made up of matter. So the amount of matter is more in jackfruit and it is less in apple, which is a smaller one. So that's why we require a lesser amount of effort to push or to lift an apple in comparison to jackfruit. Let's take another example. In this figure, two cups are shown that are filled with sugar. The first one has 2 kg of sugar and the second one has 4 kg of sugar. Students, we know that 4 kg is greater than 2 kg. So we can say that the amount of sugar, which is also a matter, in first cup is 2 kg and the amount of sugar in second cup is 4 kg. So the amount of matter, that is sugar, in 4 kg cup is greater than the amount of sugar in 2 kg cup. That's why the cup filled with 4 kg of sugar is heavier than the cup filled with 2 kg of sugar. So we can say that the amount of matter present in an object is called its mass. The SI unit of mass is kilogram and it is denoted as kg. Here are some instruments which is used to measure mass. Beam balance, physical balance and electronic weighing machine are the instruments which are used to measure mass. Next topic is weight. So what is weight? Weight is the force of the earth due to which objects fall towards the earth or the force with which it is attracted by the earth towards its center. The SI unit of weight is Newton and Newton is denoted by capital letter N. Weight is also expressed in kilogram force, that is kgf, and gram force, that is gf. Now the device which is shown in the figure is used to measure weight and this device is known as spring balance. A spring balance is a metallic case. It has a ring inside its upper part which is used to hang this metallic case, and metallic case has a spring inside it which is fixed at the upper end and the lower end is connected with the pointer. Whenever we will weight the object, the pointer will move up and down. There is a vertical slit in metallic case. Due to this slit, we can see the movement of pointer. There is a hook at the lower end of the metallic case which helps to hang the object which we have to weigh. Let's see the difference between mass and weight. The first difference is mass of a body remains constant whereas weight changes from place to place. As we know that mass is the amount of matter contained in an object, so the amount of matter not changes with place to place, it will be the same. So the mass of a body is constant. Whereas weight of an object is greater when the pull of gravity is stronger and weight is lesser when the pull of gravity is weaker. So weight changes from place to place but mass remains constant. The second difference is mass cannot be 0 whereas weight can be 0. Weight can be 0 because when there is lack of gravity it will be 0. The third difference is SI unit of mass is kilogram whereas the SI unit of weight is Newton. Next is mass is measured by using beam balance or physical balance or by using electronic weighing machine, whereas weight is measured by using spring balance. The next difference is mass is a scalar quantity whereas weight is a vector quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity because in it only magnitude is required, whereas in weight magnitude and direction both are required.